Welcome to Antonine International School El Dequana. This video tutorial demonstrates the fundamental steps for using Microsoft Teams by teachers. Launch Microsoft Teams and sign in using your school email address and your password. The Activity tab on the left sidebar is the place where you can view and manage all your activities, as for example the assignments you have assigned. The Chat tab allows you to send messages or documents with a person or a team. The Teams tab allows you to view, create, or join your team, for example, the Grade 1 team, the Grade 1 English section team. Let's go back and create a team class. Click on Join or Create a Team. Select a team type, like Class, PLC, Staff, or Other. Choose Class. Name the class team. Then add people to the class team. After creating the team, a navigation bar will appear on the left showing the home page, the class notebook and the class work. To add a classwork, click on it and add a module. Name the module and save it. Then attach the document you need to publish. Once you have added your file, click on Publish. The Assignments tab helps you create an assignment or add a quiz. To create a new assignment, click on it, name it, add a description, edit the date and time, and then assign it. The student views show who has viewed the assignment. A homework that you have assigned will appear. You can also create another assignment from an existing quiz. You just need to choose it and attach it, then you must schedule it. You will learn how to create a quiz in the next tutorial. Edit the assignment dates. You can choose the due date and time, and you can choose the close date and time. Assignment after the close date will not be allowed to be turned in. The General tab under Channels allows you to see all the activities of the class team. In the Files tab on the top slide bar, you can add any folder or document to the class materials to be visible to all students in the class team. To schedule a class meeting, click on Meeting and choose the date and time. If the class occurs each week at the same day and time of the week, you can set the occurrence to weekly. The meeting schedule will appear on the Posts page. The scheduled classes will also be shown in the Calendar tab. Another way to set a meeting by clicking on the day and time on the Calendar page. To make a call, choose the contact person and call. At the end, the Files tab shows you all the folders or documents that you have used or will be using. Thank you for watching. Check the playlist for more tutorials. For further assistance or information, please contact the IT department on it@ais-d.edu.lb.